Hello everyone, here it is, the Artsnacks Inktober box. I'm so excited. And another reason why I think Artsnacks is so awesome is that today is September 29th, and it arrived, you know, just a few days before Inktober. So we will have the supplies for Inktober. It's right on time, even a few days earlier, so I think that's really cool. Thank you, Artsnacks. Anyway, let's see what we have in here. It's very light, so I really don't know what's in there, but I'm excited. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay, candy first. We have a sour punch, and then the famous black menu card. Where do we have, we have a grayish, blackish sticker. And let's see what we have. We have the graphics fine liners, and these have colors in them. That's pretty cool. I can't remember if it was with Artsnacks or Scrollbox. I think it was with Artsnacks, because they're the ones sending out the Marabou supplies, which are really nice. I like most of them. And I think we have a set of just black fine liners, but these have all the different colors, which is really cool. And I'm trying to see, I want to see what size they are, if I can open the box. I don't know. Oh, they're really fine. I don't know. 02, 01. They're really small. This is 05. 05. It looks really small for a 05. But that's okay. And then, oh my goodness. Look how pretty. Just the box itself is really cool. So what brand? Kuretake. Let's see what we got from Kuretake. Something awesome, I'm sure. It is so pretty. So it is paper. Oh, it's like, oh, this is rubbery here, and this is paper. We have a little loop to hang it, but this is, I don't know if it's rubbery or greasy or sticky. It leaves a weird feel on my fingers. And it's a brush pen. Oh, it's like a fude brush. Well, I'll show you when I do the tests. Okay. What else do we have in here? It's already 4 pens. Oh, come on. Another jelly roll. No way. I know it's a 05, so it's a bolder one, but I already have one. Doesn't really, is it really a bolder one? I don't know. But anyway, guys, please stop sending jelly rolls. And here we have the Amsterdam acrylic marker. It's Azo Yellow Deep. It looks like a fine, yeah, it's a finer point than what we usually get, which is a nice change. But this doesn't belong with Artsnacks because it's acrylic, and so it's not ink, it's paint. unless this says otherwise. Usually acrylic marker is just paint in it. But anyway, I like that there's lots of beautiful colors, and can't wait to try this brush pen here. So whoever is the winner of this month I Draw You giveaway, we have their portrait done with all the supplies. So after reading the card, I found out that the jelly roll, it says it's a new product, which I thought was weird, but anyway, there's two sizes, but I already knew that, a fine and a bold, a 0.5 and a 1, so I got the 0.5, the fine one, and it says that actually Sakura got an upgrade, that they have perfected the smooth ink flow technology of their classic white jelly roll pen. So I don't know if it's better or not, but we're gonna find out. It's interesting. It looks like as it dries, it gets wider. Look again. I don't know if you can see it. One more. So this might actually be nicer than the other ones. I'm very pleased with the Marabou Graphics fine liners. They have light fast and water-based pigment ink, and it's not waterproof. The ink of the Kuretake Bimoji Fude brush pen is waterproof, however, but I didn't find the nib as flexible as some other Fude brushes that I have. Maybe the mixed media paper that I was working with was not smooth enough, I don't know. As far as the classic white jelly roll is concerned, nope, I didn't like it. I don't know, it seems like the ink wasn't flowing very much, especially when I was using it on black ink. It just wouldn't go. So later on, when I tried to use white for highlights, I ended up using the same one. I actually have the same one, but the bold version. It's a Jelly Roll 10, and that worked a bit better. But I really wasn't impressed by the flow, at least on top of other inks. And then we have the Amsterdam acrylic marker. I like that it was a small nib this time, and I really like the color as well. But to me, it just didn't fit in this box. It's supposed to be Inktober, and every year in October, Artsnacks sends inking supplies. So it felt like it was just an afterthought, like they threw that just to add a little something to the box. I don't know, it was very weird. In any case, I was very happy to have lots of colors to work with this time. It gave me lots of options to work on the portrait of the I Draw You giveaway winner. And I get to use all the pens in different ways, some with water added and some just like that, although I didn't get to use the green pen. When I started working with the brush pen, I had that weird feeling again on the grip part, the rubbery part. It felt really sticky and it was really unpleasant. So I put some rubbing alcohol on a piece of paper towel and I rubbed the whole area with the paper towel and it all came off. So I don't know what was that sticky substance on it. I don't know, but it was not very pleasant. When I diluted the blue fine liner with water, I noticed that the colors were kind of separating, so I ended up with a mix of blue and purple. I thought it was really pretty. I like the October supplies and I enjoyed using them. I'm still wondering about the acrylic marker, and I just used it a tiny little bit in the background so that I would have an Inktober-ish portrait. Okay, now I do have a more serious announcement to make. Because I haven't had a great turnout for those portrait giveaways, I've decided that next month will be the last one. For those of you who have participated, I thank you very much. And if you want to participate again, you may do so. In a couple of weeks, I'll post my last video for you to participate and hopefully win the last portrait giveaway. Now, if I find out that many people are interested by then, I might change my mind and keep doing it. But for now, that's the plan. Alright, that's it for now. I have to get back to the Inktober videos. So I'll see you tomorrow and have a wonderful day. Thanks everyone for watching. Bye bye.